In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive timeline in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for school, work, a project update, or a company story, a timeline can make your content look polished, engaging, and easy to follow. Stick around to the end because I'll also show you simple ways to customize the design so it really stands out. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use the desktop app or PowerPoint online, create a new blank presentation, or open the deck where you want to add your timeline. For the cleanest look, work on a slide with plenty of space so the timeline has room to breathe. Go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where you'll find tools for adding images, charts, shapes, and Smart Art. Click Smart Art to open a gallery of pre-built diagrams and process visuals. In the categories on the left, look for the group that includes timelines. In many versions, it's under Process. Choose the timeline layout that fits your needs, from a simple linear design to a more detailed option. Click OK, and PowerPoint will place the timeline on your slide. You'll see a text pane that says type your text here. Click inside and start entering your timeline information. Each bullet point becomes a milestone. Add dates, key events, phases, or major deliverables. Keep each point short and clear so it reads well on screen. To add more milestones, just press enter in the text pane. PowerPoint will automatically extend the timeline for you. Now let's customize the look. Click the Smart Art graphic to activate the Smart Art design tools at the top. Choose Change Colors to instantly apply coordinated color schemes. Pick a palette that matches your brand or theme for a cohesive feel. Next, open Smart Art Styles to add visual polish like shadows or subtle depth. Hover to preview, then click to apply the style you prefer. Adjust the size so everything is easy to read. Use the width and height controls in the toolbar to stretch the timeline across the slide or make it taller or shorter. You can also explore different layouts within the Smart Art Design tab. Selecting a new timeline layout will automatically reflow your existing content without retyping. To make the timeline interactive during your presentation, add animations. Go to the Animations tab, select the timeline, and choose a simple effect like fade or wipe. Then use effect options to reveal one milestone at a time. This lets you click through events in order, keeping your audience focused on the point you're discussing. And that's it. You've built an interactive timeline, customized its style, adjusted its size, and added animations for a dynamic delivery. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.